Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. So in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to hide online status or active status on Messenger. So if that is something you're interested in, stick around for the rest of the video. So first things first, you need to launch Messenger, then click on your profile, which is in the top left hand corner of the screen. So once you're on your profile, you then need to click on privacy, which is right below mobile number, and once you're within the privacy settings, you need to click on restricted accounts. So once you restrict a person, you pretty much limit their interactions with you. So for example, they won't be able to see that you've read their message or that you're online or you're last seen. So you simply need to click on add and search for the person that you want to restrict, and you can do this for quite a few people. And as I've said earlier, they won't be able to see that you're online or you're last seen, and you can unrestrict them at any time. So this is pretty much how you go about hiding your online status or active status on Messenger. So if you guys found this video useful or if you enjoyed this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Also, please turn on your post notifications so you'll be notified whenever I upload videos. Thank you guys so much for watching.